Hi.
Hi.
I'm Bill.
And I'm Lucy.
And we're LB Retro. We've got another instalment today in episode 7 of our shed build. If you would like to subscribe, like and comment, we'd love you forever. If you've got any comments, please leave them below and ring that ding-a-dong bell. And we'll see you at the end. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
This is the point where I was cutting all the joists off that was just slightly too big and cut them flush with the plywood. So yeah, that'd be the next stage, was to put the wood round the edge. You'll see me doing that soon, and I needed to clear the actual roofing of all the wet wood that I just temporarily put up there to stop all the water coming in. It's just non-stop rain at the minute.
I just wanna space out. Why can't we talk about it? I don't think that you realize how far deep I'm drowning, and I don't feel that you're on my side. I need space to find myself, a little time to get some rest. If I stay, I lose my breath. I'm going to find my space. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna stay high. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna stay space out. I just wanna space out. Space out, space out, space out.
As you can see, there was 5,000 screws being put in this bit of plywood, as it was bent like a banana.
Some rest. If I stay, I lose my breath. I'm going to find my space. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna stay high. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna space out, space out. I just wanna space out, space out, space out, space out. I don't feel like I'm in it. I don't feel like my head is straight. Are we lonely together? You're talking, but it makes no sense. I need space to find myself.
This is where I put the wood edging all the way round that attaches to the rafters. This is so you can have a little bit of an overhang so the water doesn't go down the cladding.
Going to find my space. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna stay high. We did it before, now I'm going down. When I just wanna space out.
It was absolutely hacking down, and sorry for the rain on the lens. I just wanted to get this done because I'd had enough by that point with the felt flying up in the air, ripped on some of the corners that really annoyed me. But I'd been on it all day, and it's typical when you do the felt, it starts winding up at 100 miles an hour, but it looked alright. I was not my ultimate job, but it keeps the weather out, and that's the main thing. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks. At this point I thought I'd just get some off scraps of ply just to fill in the gaps where the cladding, we needed some more cladding, because the cladding that we had some damages and some just bends in it, so we couldn't use it. So we're waiting on a timber merchant to sort this out. So I just thought I'd just get it all waterproofed and plied up. Not the most loveliest looking finish, but at least it keeps the weather out, and we can store a few things in there now, so it's all good. There was a right old mess in there after the door had smashed down and all the glass went all over the floor. That I wasn't best happy on that wind when I was doing the roof. So I thought I'd have a good old clear up and sweep up of the floor so it all looks nice and clean.
Like that video today. That took me 7 hours in total because of the wind and the rain doing that shed, so I hope you enjoyed that. Give a nice thumbs up and ring that ding-a-dong bell and subscribe today. We'd love you forever, and we hope to see you soon in this range of episodes. We're nearly done, and we'll be nearly. We're just waiting on some timber from the timber merchants. Again, yeah. But we will give it a total update and a refresh as soon as we can get some more work done. Thanks very much, and we welcome all the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.